Since preservation, the railway has operated as a tourist attraction, expanding its rolling stock through acquisition and an engineering program to build new locomotives and carriages. In 1976, an extension was opened along the former mineral line from Abergynolwyn to the new station at Nant Gwernol. In 2001, the Preservation Society celebrated its 50th anniversary, and in 2005 a major rebuilding and extension of Tywyn Wharf station took place, including a much-expanded facility for the narrow-gauge railway museum. The fictional Talyllyn Railway, which formed part of the Railway series of children's books by the Rev. W. Awdry, was based on the Talyllyn Railway. The preservation of the line inspired the Ealing comedy film The Titfield Thunderbolt. The origin of the railway's name is uncertain. It may refer to the parish of Talyllyn, which contains its eastern terminus, or it may come from Talyllyn, a large glacial ribbon lake at the foot of Cadair Idris 3 miles further east. The 2 feet 3 in gauge of the track is unusual and was shared by only 3 other public railways in the United Kingdom: the Corris Railway and the Plinlimmon and Haven Tramway, both a few miles from the Talyllyn, and the Campbelltown and Machrihanish Light Railway in Scotland. Slate quarrying began in the hills above Tywyn in the 1830s, but although many small quarries and test levels were established, only one major quarry was developed in the region, the Bryn Eglwys Quarry, 7 miles northeast of the town. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.